Steeds and Porter, in their text entitled Motivation and Work Behavior, identified the correct answer is D. Three major components of motivation. The conditions which influence the arousal, direction, and maintenance of behavior relevant in work settings are called work motivation. The correct answer is A. Intrinsic motivations as currently conceived is championed by C. Deci. Most of the research on intrinsic motivation has concentrated on the interaction between intrinsic and extrinsic rewards. The correct answer is A. An individual's affect orientation towards particular outcomes is called the valence of the outcome. The correct answer is C. Debye distinguished between the strong and weak version of. The correct answer is D. Consistency theory. Debye distinguished between the strong and weak version of consistency theory. Motives are. The correct answer is internal source of behavior. A. Motives move a person from within. The correct answer is A. Literally, motivation means the process of inducing. The correct answer is movement. A. Motivation is defined as a state of the organism in which bodily energy is mobilized and selectively directed towards parts of the environment. The correct answer is D. Mobilization of body energy is otherwise known as drive. The correct answer is A. The selected part of environment refers to the end results of behavior sequence which are known as goals. The correct answer is C. Goals refer to directional aspects of behavior. The correct answer A. When a motive is aroused and the organism is driven to a goal, a condition is produced within the organism called tension. The tension increased when the goal is. The correct answer C. Obstructed. Homeostasis is the overall term for equilibrium, preserving tendencies within organism by which neurophysiological condition is maintained. The correct answer is A. Neurophysiological condition is maintained. Curiosity comes under personal motives. The correct answer B. Sex is biological and physiological motive. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Maslow's idea about the structure of needs is known as self-actualization theory of motivation. According to Levin, tensions are emotional states with accompanying needs. Correct answer is A. In avoidance conflict, the individual is compelled to choose between one opposite and one negative alternative, two negative alternatives, two positive alternatives, two negative alternatives, and two positive alternatives. The correct answer is A. Who assume that human motives are arranged in a hierarchy of potency? The correct answer is D. Abraham Maslow. Need for achievement can be measured by TAT, Thematic Application Test. When progress towards a goal is blocked and underlying tension is unresolved, we speak of frustration. The correct answer is A. Survival needs activate the organisms to provide a physical deficits. Provide for a physiological deficit. The correct answer is A.